So this is how fast is this reaction happening. Okay, so we've got that here, the rate. I teach biology at Waco High, and I love teaching biology. Everything that I teach is relatable to their lives in some way. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And it's important for our students to get STEM experiences in the classroom because it gives them hands-on experiences. Grab a piece of liver. We did a lab where we looked at enzymes, and enzymes they're proteins and they help to speed up reactions in the body. We got hydrogen peroxide, which is the toxic compound, and we put it on the liver. There were enzymes in the chicken liver that broke down the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, which are two harmless components. And we tested that at different temperatures, and we saw how the speed of the reaction varied with the different temperatures. I can show them a graph, and it says, okay, it doesn't work when it's cold, works best when it's hot, and then when it gets too hot, the enzyme doesn't work any longer. All right, so you see the difference? But when they can actually see that, we have it right in front of us, and we have the different temperatures, and they can actually see, oh yeah, there was a reaction. There's lots of bubbles. There's lots of formation of gas in the hot, and nothing really happened when the liver was cold because the enzyme doesn't work well under cold temperatures. That really kind of solidifies that graph instead of just looking at the graph. Now they have a mental image to put with the graphs. It's important for students to get a well-rounded education in the core contents because it opens a lot of doors to some subjects that they might not be familiar with. They can learn to love different subjects because some of the students really love science and some of them really love English, some love social studies, and just getting a good core education helps them. I love it here. Everyone's been so welcoming. The students are amazing. My coworkers are amazing. Mr. Stewart's been a great leader. It's been a great experience.